Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to write a simple Java program in a Windows 10 laptop. For this you must have a BlueJ software uploaded in your laptop. You can download it from a Chrome browser or you can buy it from a laptop store. So let's move to the laptop screen now. Now I am on my laptop screen. So you can see here that here is the BlueJ software. It will look like this. Now I am clicking it. It is opening. It will take a time. It will take time. Now it is opened. You will get something this type of screen. So in the top right corner, left corner, sorry, you can see it is written new class. It is written new class, so you have to click on it, new class, and it will ask a class name. So as you know that Java is case sensitive, so you cannot start with a digit, you have to start with the alphabet. So for example, I am taking a class name that is sample. So I have taken sample, then I will click OK. Now folder is created named sample. Now I will click on it, double click. So it will open, maximize. Now you will get this type of screen. So to clear this thing, first you have to do Control A to select all and then delete. So it will be cleared. Now first in Java it is necessary to give a class name. So I will write class, and always write class C in a small letter, as Java is case sensitive. So you have to write C in small letter, then any name. For example, I am giving here sample, class sample. So the class name is sample. Enter. Now I will now you have to give some space, 4 or 5 spaces. Then you have to open a curly bracket. Oh sorry, it is, yes. Now you have to open a curly bracket like this, then enter. Now it is necessary to write public static void main in every program. So I am writing it in small letters only. Public static void main. Public static void main. Now you have to open a small bracket, and then in capital letters you have to write S. You have to write string, so capital letter S. Now string. Then you have to give ARGS, args. It is necessary. Now two big brackets like this, and then I will close the small bracket. So this you have to give in every program. The opening sentence will be this only. Now enter. Now I will again give some spaces, 4 to 5 spaces, and a curly bracket, then enter. Yes. Now you have to write the body of the program. So I am telling you a simple Java program. So I am writing, suppose I have to print my channel name. So I will first write system.out.println. So system S capital, sys system dot out dot println. To print something you have to give println, system.out.println, then small bracket. Yes. Now what you have to print, you have to give in double quotes. For example, I am printing my channel name. Amazing Hyundai experiments. Now after writing the message you have to close the double quotes like this. Here I have done, and then close the small bracket. So what you have to print, it will print. what you have given in double quotes, it will print. Now after doing this, you have to give semicolon. It is necessary in every, after writing every line, that you have to give semicolon like this, then enter. So this is how you have to write. And then now you have to here you can see that I have given one curly bracket here and one curly bracket here, so I have to close them also. So first curly bracket is closed here, enter, and then the next curly bracket is also closed here. So now our program is finished, and now the to execute, you have to give you have to tap on compile, that is given here. You can see the top left corner, compile. So you will print it. If any errors will be there, it will show you here. In my program there are no errors, so it is writing class compiled, no syntax errors. Then you have to close it from here, and then you can see that sample, class sample, right click on it, then you can see this type of thing. So you have to click on the second one, void main, click on this, you can see this. Now OK, and you will, one second, and you will get your result. What you have printed, that I have given in double quotes amazing home die experiments, so it is showing amazing home die experiments. So that is how you have to write a simple Java program in a Windows 10 laptop. In this video I have shown you how to write a simple Java program you have seen on a Windows 10 laptop. If you have any doubts, you can clarify through the comment section below. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe as much as you can, and share as much as you can, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more such amazing videos. Thank you.